What's up, guys? Today we're diving into the transformation of my Sur-Ron Ultra Bee. From stock to street weapon, Supermoto wheels, race-inspired plastics, and a few performance upgrades. Let's break it down mod by mod. Kicking things off, I gave the Ultra Bee this red and white look with a graphics kit from StickerFX. To reduce maintenance, I swapped the stock chain setup for an SHR final belt drive kit. It's smoother, quieter, and gives the bike a more refined feel on the street. Next up, RTech side fairings brought in a sharper, more aggressive silhouette. They pair perfectly with the Husqvarna TC 125 tank fairings, giving the bike that Supermoto-inspired profile. Up front, I installed a Husqvarna TC 125 headlight and shroud. Here's a closer look at the brackets I made to install the tank fairings. The top brackets mount directly onto the battery lid. I just drilled 2 holes and used the screws that hold the stock lid fairings. I cut the Husky fairings at these points to align it with the lines of the bike. I flipped the grab handles for a sleeker rear end and better ergonomics when lifting or maneuvering the bike. It's a small tweak that makes a big visual difference. This is the left tank fairing. I had to cut this section out for the charging plug. Once these fairings are installed, the battery pretty much lives in the bike. To protect the controls, I fitted the TC 125 handguards. Now for the biggest change, the wheels. I replaced the stock setup with 17-inch Tarazon Supermoto wheels, completely transforming the handling and stance. Wrapped around those rims are Pirelli Diablo Rosso sport tires. They bite hard in corners and elevate the ride feel. With speed and grip dialed in, we needed to improve stopping power. That's where the Warp 9 300mm front rotor and caliper bracket come in. It's a serious braking upgrade to match the rest of the build. And to finish things off, we wrap the spokes in black for a cleaner, more aggressive look. And that's the build. I might have missed a couple of things, but I'll put links in the description for all the parts installed. If you've got questions or want a closer look at any part of the setup, drop them in the comments. Mods are never really finished, so hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. There's more coming.